Hey there, it's Coach Andrew. Let me just say, I'm excited you're here. The fact that you're even listening to this means you're ready to take that first step toward your fitness goals, and I'm here to help guide you every step of the way. I know getting started can feel intimidating, especially if you're not sure where to begin. But trust me, we all start somewhere. When I first walked into a gym, I had no idea what I was doing. I remember looking around at all the machines and wondering if I'd ever feel comfortable there. But what I quickly learned is that fitness isn't about the machines, the weights, or even the gym itself. It's about how you feel. It's about becoming stronger, healthier, and more confident in your own body. Why does fitness matter? Well, it's not just about getting fit or losing weight. It's about building a healthier lifestyle. Whether your goal is to shed a few pounds, gain muscle, or simply feel better in your day-to-day life, fitness gives you the foundation to achieve that. And no, you don't have to be perfect. What matters is that you show up day after day and give it your best effort. Set small, realistic goals for yourself. Maybe your goal is to work out 3 times a week for 20 minutes. Great. Start there and build up over time. One of the first things I tell people is to understand the basics of exercise. You don't need to master everything at once. There are 3 major types of exercise to focus on: cardio, strength training, and flexibility. Each one plays an important role in your fitness journey. Cardio is all about getting your heart rate up. Walking, jogging, swimming, all great ways to boost your heart health and burn calories. Start with a simple 15-minute walk if that's what works for you. That's how I started. Then there's strength training. Building muscle not only makes you stronger but helps you burn more calories, even when you're resting. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Squats, push-ups, lunges. These bodyweight exercises are perfect for beginners. I still remember the first time I managed to do a pull-up. It took me months, but the feeling of accomplishment was incredible. And don't forget about flexibility. Keeping your muscles loose and your joints mobile is key to avoiding injuries. A few minutes of stretching before and after your workouts can make a huge difference. Flexibility is often overlooked, but trust me, your body will thank you for it later. Safety first, though. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is jumping in too fast, too soon. I've seen it countless times. You get excited, you push yourself hard, and then you end up hurt or burnt out. Take it from me, slow and steady wins the race. Always warm up for 5 to 10 minutes before starting your workout, and don't forget to cool down with some light stretches. Listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't push through it. Take a break, recover, and come back stronger. Speaking of getting started, let's talk about some simple exercises you can do right at home. You don't need a gym membership or fancy machines to start working on your fitness. One of my favorite beginner exercises is the squat. It's a full-body move that works your legs, core, and back. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, then push back up. Do a few sets of 10, 12 reps, and you'll feel the burn. Another great exercise is the push-up. If regular push-ups are too tough, start on your knees. Focus on keeping your body in a straight line and lowering yourself slowly. It's one of the best exercises for building upper body strength, and it requires nothing but your body weight. Planks are also fantastic for building core strength. Start by holding a plank position for 20-30 seconds, and as you get stronger, gradually increase the time. The key is consistency. Don't worry if you can't hold it for long at first. Everyone starts somewhere. Now, one of the most common questions I get asked is, how do I create a workout plan? It can be overwhelming to figure out what to do and when to do it, but I've got you covered. Keep it simple in the beginning. Start with a plan that includes a balance of cardio, strength training, and flexibility. Maybe you do a 30-minute walk on Monday, strength training on Tuesday, rest or yoga on Wednesday, and so on. It's all about finding what works for you and your schedule. You don't need to overcomplicate things. I once coached a group of busy moms and we built a routine that fit into their crazy schedules. Even if they only had 20 minutes, they showed up and they made it count. Another essential part of fitness is nutrition. You can't out-train a bad diet, so fueling your body with the right foods is crucial. You don't need to go on a restrictive diet, but making mindful choices about what you eat will have a huge impact on your progress. Try to eat balanced meals with plenty of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Foods like chicken, eggs, leafy greens, and whole grains will help keep you energized for your workouts. And don't forget about hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when you're exercising. One of the hardest parts of any fitness journey is staying consistent. The truth is, motivation comes and goes, but habits stick. That's why I always tell my clients to focus on building small, sustainable habits. Maybe it's waking up 10 minutes earlier to fit in a short workout. Or maybe it's swapping out that soda for water. These small changes add up over time. I had a client who hated traditional workouts. She wasn't into running or lifting weights, but she loved dancing. So we incorporated dance workouts into her routine. And guess what? She stayed consistent because she found something she actually enjoyed. That's the key. Find a form of exercise you look forward to, and it won't feel like a chore. It's also important to track your progress. But here's the thing. Progress isn't just about the number on the scale. You might notice that your clothes fit better, you're sleeping more soundly, or you have more energy throughout the day. These are all signs that your fitness journey is working. Apps can be a great way to track your workouts and nutrition, but even something as simple as keeping a fitness journal can help you stay motivated. I know injuries can be a big concern, especially if you're new to exercise. Trust me, I've had my share of injuries over the years, and they're no fun. The best way to avoid them is to listen to your body. Don't push through pain, and make sure you're taking time to recover. Foam rolling is a great way to release tight muscles and prevent injuries. It can be uncomfortable at first, but the relief it brings is worth it. Finally, let's talk about making fitness a part of your everyday life. This isn't about being in the gym every day. Fitness can be as simple as choosing to take the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break. One of my clients, a lawyer who barely had time to breathe during the day, found a way to fit quick bodyweight exercises into his routine. Now, he's in the best shape of his life, all by working out in his office. Fitness isn't a destination, it's a lifelong journey. It's about finding balance and making it work for your lifestyle. You don't have to be perfect, and there will be days when it feels hard. But that's okay. The important thing is that you keep showing up for yourself day after day. That's where the real transformation happens. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step, start small, and remember, you're stronger than you think. Your fitness journey starts now, and I'm here with you every step of the way.